So yeah, this is a glorified wire stripper. It does work really well. A lot of people ask me all the time for a wire stripper like this that can strip wires easily, and not only that, it can actually splice wires easily as well. Sometimes you want to add a wire to this, bam, you got it, guys. It's from a company called Tell You Now. It also came with all these connectors right here. It gives me the extra space right there so I can solder a wire to this instead of actually using a knife and carving out this part. I'll leave the links in the description below. You guys already know it. I had to actually close the garage door. I don't know what's going on. You know, it's super windy out there. I don't want the wind noise and stuff. So, but today we're gonna be talking about the actual Highlander reverse lights, backup lights, and it's a shame because I've never actually done a video on this. So let's go. Let's get this rolling. Hey guys, Goki's here, making more videos again. Today, guys, we have the 2015 Highlander right here. Now, this works with any Highlander, and I think even to the 2019, to be frank. The concept of the taillights has not changed much. I don't even think they refreshed the car yet, so we're gonna be changing out the Highlander reverse lights. It's gonna be very similar to every single Highlander. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so we have the Highlander right here. We have changed many of the lights in the front. We're gonna be changing out the reverse lights right here. So this is the dual filament brake light right here. This is the single filament red light right here. And then you have the turn signal right here. Do not get it confused, okay? This right here is the brake light turn signal. So to get to this bad boy, it's very, very simple. You already know it, guys. Let's actually open this bad boy. So let's push this button here. There we go. Now that we have the trunk open, let's actually take a look at the bulbs that we're going to be talking about. Here are the actual bulbs from Auxito. I saw them online and I was like, you know what? I've used these guys before. They're really awesome and think they will do just fine. Once more, they had really good reviews. It didn't have that many LED chips. However, they're still supposed to be extremely bright. Let's actually unbox this real quick. There we have it. Rip this bad boy open. There we go. Oh, let's take out both of. Oh my goodness, look at this. Let's put one down right here because they're both the same. Let's show you this one. Oh my goodness, look at this bad boy. As I said, guys, it is a 921 or 912 194 wedge type bulb. It has that wedge right there. You can see you can wedge it into the actual socket, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. If I bring it really close, you can see the actual LED chip. It's a really high quality 2020 SMD LED that's on that actual bad boy. One right there, and there's actually three on there. 1, 2, and then 3 on the other side. And I'm going to be demonstrating the halogen bulbs right there versus these bad boys on the white wall, and then obviously I'm going to show you how these bad boys look at night as well. Low power, high lumens output, built-in IC driver that makes sure that over time this doesn't change color. I know a lot of cheaper LEDs over time will start changing colors. They'll go from a white to like some other color and just start maybe going yellow and stuff like that. I mean, just from the feel of it, this thing feels really solid and ready to go. So you guys already know, if you want more details about the actual bad boy, of course I'm going to leave the links in the description below. You guys can read all about it and look at the reviews also. Don't just look at my review, look at other people's review and see for yourself. Let's actually install this bad boy in the Highlander. Now I'm going to be putting this in the Highlander. However, guys, remember, this can be used on any vehicle that uses this kind of bulb, and many vehicles use this kind of wedge type bulb for their reverse lights and or also maybe their front parking lights and stuff. I know the Honda Accord did. So I'm gonna be doing this on the Highlander, and it's extremely simple on the Highlander, guys. Like I said, we have opened this bad boy. Let's actually put this down somewhere real quick. All right, I got some light right here just to show you better what is going on up there. So in your Highlander, you're gonna have this huge panel right here there on both sides, one right here and also one that's located right here. Now you're gonna be doing this exact same thing for both sides. All you need is some kind of tool. I'm gonna use my pry tool right here. Make sure you use some kind of pry tool. I mean, you can use a screwdriver. Just make sure the screwdriver doesn't damage your actual trim right here. In this case, let's actually put this pry tool in here, and what I'm going to do is actually just go in there and basically pry this bad boy open like that. And once you have enough space, as you can see, I've opened it, I've clicked it, I heard a little pop. Just pull this guy down like so, and don't worry, you're not going to be breaking anything. There we go. And let's get this clip. There we go. They're just held on by clips, okay? Make sure you do it properly. Make sure you know, see, these are where the clips are right here. So you're gonna need to know where to apply the pressure, okay? So you're gonna be applying a pressure right in this corner right here, and also in the middle somewhere right there, so you don't bend this bad boy. You don't wanna be breaking anything, but generally speaking, you're not gonna be breaking anything because it's actually pretty strong, so you're good. All right, so there we have it. So this guy right here is the actual bulb for the actual brake lights, the red bulb. This guy right here here, the bottom bulb, is reverse lights, guys. So let's actually take it out. So first thing I want to do is actually just unhook it, because I don't like messing with wires, you know, putting wires in tension and stuff. There we go. We're just gonna unhook that bad boy, and then we're gonna just twist and pull. You guys already know it. There we go, twist, and then slowly, so slowly pull it out. I have a box in here that has all the original bulbs. Make sure you keep these original bulbs safe, guys. You know, maybe when you're selling it back to the market, you know, or giving it to someone else and stuff, you know, it's always good to have the original bulbs. Okay, so don't throw this away. A lot of people just throw these away. Yes, I know we hate these bulbs, but you know, just keep them, because you never know. So to pull it out, all you need to do is actually just, you know, pull it out like so, like that. It's a wedge type bulb, so it's actually extremely easy to pull out, and then you have the actual socket ready to go for the next bulb. I'm actually gonna leave mine in the actual casing like this and keep it safe. Now, before I actually do that, I just want to make a quick comparison showing you the original bulb right here versus the new one. As you can see, very similar in size, except this one's just a little bit bigger because of the heat dissipation metal that's right there to make sure that this thing stays cool. But yeah, other than that, I mean, let's go plug it in and see how it looks. Put this down to the side right here, make sure everything's good, plug the bad boy in like so, just wedge it in there. It's a wedge type bulb. There we have it. It's a nice fit. Now, once you plug it in, and if you have a problem where it's not turning on, just pull it out, turn it 180 degrees and put it back in. That happens sometimes, but yeah, that's a simple solution. Okay, let's go back up here and let's hear that satisfying click. There we go. And just, you know, snake it into the actual original hole right there, and you'll be good to go. There we go. And then twist it in place. Make sure you hear that click, and you're good to go. That's it. That is it, and you're done. That's how simple it is to change these bulbs. Most of the time, you know, you change these bulbs like so, and when you're backing up, when you're, you know, turning signals and stuff, and you have LEDs, just gives it a modern look to your vehicle, and I'm going to show you that right now. So let's turn off all these lights, and let's do a quick demo showing you the old bulb, which is right here, the halogen bulb, versus a new guy. Let's actually do this demo. Alrighty, guys, talk about a night and day difference. So this is the yellow right here. Not bad, gets the job done. Obviously it looks ugly, doesn't look great on there. Let's actually move towards the bright side, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that difference. There we have the original yellow bulbs right there. Here we have the white. Seeing is believing. That's a better color, nicer output versus that. And on top of that, obviously, look at how beautiful. I mean, this thing is blinding bright, so I don't want to actually look at that, guys. That's amazing. That is awesome, and it makes the, you know, vehicle look just 10 times better with that backup light versus the yellow. We're gonna take a look at the yellow right here, and you can see not that bright, but on that side we have a different story, guys. I'm gonna be changing out this bad boy as well, and we're gonna actually take it on the road tonight and see how they look, guys. This looks amazing already. Look how bright it is. Let's actually change the other one out. Alrighty, guys, I've actually already done both the sides. Let's actually close this bad boy here. All right, there we go. Now, after taking a closer look at the bulbs and actually seeing them and seeing how they actually look, they're great. They're great. It's just that they're not the brightest I have seen. In my kit, I still have what I believe are the brightest reverse bulbs I've ever seen. The problem with those bulbs, and where this can come in actually handy and fix issues that I've had people ask me, is the size, guys. The size of those bulbs are just a little bit big sometimes. A lot of people have complaints with those bulbs, especially, you know, in the front parking lights and stuff. You're trying to install them somewhere where 921 bulbs are required in your vehicle. They just don't fit. Yes, they're bright. The other ones on my kit, they're bright. I have the kit link in the description below, but these just fit better. So you have to decide for yourself. But if you want something that fits and has decent brightness and is white light, okay, the light output is white, these are going to do the trick, guys. So if you have fitment issues and stuff, these right here from Auxito are going to work well. You guys already know I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. Now let's take this Highlander out for a spin at night when it gets dark, and hopefully it's not super windy out tonight, and we're gonna see how these bad boys look on the road, guys. That's the real test. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alrighty, guys, I am at my car right here. Those are my front lights, but today we're going to be taking a look at the reverse lights. So let's put this in reverse right here. So we got in reverse, and the first thing I want to do is tell you, you know, I have it on brake, so don't worry about it. It's not gonna move the car. The first thing I want to tell you is a lot of people wanted to see how the backup camera looks, and you can see clearly, guys. There's white light everywhere and just looks awesome, even better in person. And remember, guys, this is a very dark area. There's no street lights or anything. I bring my vehicle out here because there's no street lights. So let's take it outside and see how those reverse lights look. Ultra bright and super awesome looking. Look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. And this is how the street looks, guys. Well lit, not yellow, extremely bright white, and that's what I want to see. Now I gotta tell you guys that this is really not the brightest I've seen. Okay, the brightest ones are in the link in the description below on my kit. They are a little bit bigger, and a lot of people complained that they didn't fit in their housing, so that's why these are the second best in terms of brightness and size. Okay, of course, the bigger bulb you have, the brighter it gets, but you gotta understand there comes a compromise to make with your vehicle depending on your vehicle. So in this Highlander, this is perfect. Look how bright that is. That is plenty brightness. Okay, like I said, they're not the brightest, but that's plenty bright. Okay, so you really don't need to have it ultra bright, and it still looks, let me take a step back here, it still looks absolutely beautiful. You're gonna have some bright lights no matter what, guys. That's the main difference, you know what I mean? So these are awesome. These are looking bright. They light it up, they light up your camera, they, you know, you can see well, and now you have white lights in the back for that, and you have some nice white bright headlights in the front. Like I said, this works on the Highlander, but obviously this works with any vehicle, guys. Look at this. This looks awesome. And white lights in the back. All my lights, guys, like I get asked all the time, they're gonna be in the description below in the kit. Okay, when you click on the kit, it takes you straight to the kit, and then you click on it and it takes you to your Amazon, and you're good to go. Not bad. I mean, look at the brightness of the light. Not the brightest I've seen, but still not too shabby. Not too shabby for the size of the bulb. The size of the bulb is a light compact bulb. Not too bad, guys. I'll leave the links in the description below for these bad boys from Auxito. And yeah, I'm loving these right now. I really am, and I know you will love it. Alrighty, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase the bulbs are going to be in the description below. The link to my kit that has also the brightest bulbs are going to be in the description below. Make sure you guys know that those are extremely bright, and some people don't like that. Okay, I've had people ask me, hey, can you get something a little bit dimmer, because reverse lights are not supposed to be that bright. I get it, I understand. I'll leave those links in the description below as well. Dimensions are a factor sometimes. If you want the brightest, there might be a little bit too big to fit in your vehicle. That's where you get these guys. They work just as well. You guys saw it at night. They work awesome. They look awesome, and they definitely look much better than the yellow dingy looking bulbs that I had on this bad boy for the longest time. So yeah, all the links are going to be in the description below, guys. You guys already know it. If you have any other comments or questions, leave it in the section below, and I do heart the ones that I do love. But with that being said, there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you get for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, can you share saying thanks for watching and peace.